What's up, y'all? Welcome back for another video today. Today we are venturing to the Dollar Tree. We're going to see if they got some gardening stuff out here. I seen a video on YouTube that said that we need to go ahead and try to look at the Dollar Tree and see if they got some stuff out. So let's go see what they got. Okay, so I see we got some potting mix that's out now. Hanging baskets, some clay pots, not too much stuff out already, but that's about it. Okay, we got some planters that's out already. I think I want some of these here. How much are they? $3. Okay. Got the bird houses out. I don't see any seeds out yet. Solar post cap. Okay, that's the little bulbs. Oh, I need 2 of these. Well, actually, I just need 1. So we're gonna get that right there. All right, y'all, we are back in the house, and now we are finna get ready to go outside and put our new roller that we got from the Dollar Tree up. Let's take a look outside. All right, y'all, so far, we've been outside in the garden, of course. We done moved around the green stalks. We got strawberries over here planted in this one. There's nothing else in the other one. I got some strawberries here. They'll come back, hopefully, because this is actually their first year. They'll be coming back into season. We got strawberries here. These supposed to be some collard greens that never did just really take. I don't know what had happened to them. But we let them stay. Back here we got over here and over here. These are some rose bushes. You can see that good. All right, and this is our inside of our greenhouse, y'all. It is warm in here. It is 77 degrees. Let me close the door because it's cold out there. All right, y'all. Here we got a citrus tree. This was started from seeds, 2 little seeds. And this is be going into like the 3rd year. I got it wrapped in some bubble wrap to keep it warm on the outside. Everything looking good on it. We got new growth in. I don't know what this is. If y'all know what this is, or is this normal? If this is normal, then I'm not gonna worry about it. But y'all let me know what is that about. Okay, I was like, wait a minute. All right, and look, to prove that I'm telling y'all the truth, look, it's 77.7 degrees in here. Y'all, we already started us some seeds. So this was just an experiment. I wanted to see if I can grow some green beans out here in the middle of January. And look, y'all, they are actually growing. I cannot believe it. So we know that we can start some greens. This is what we got here. The lettuce ain't did any, the onions ain't did anything right yet. I think I'm gonna switch these to the other side over here though. All right, now on this side over here, we got us some jalapeno peppers. We're gonna try to see if we can get those to germinate. This is some prize head lettuce back here. Y'all, I got some, these right here, collard greens. What do we got? What did it say, y'all? Old fashioned mustard greens. Some mustard greens here. Some onions. We got a little red onion coming in right here, y'all. You zoom in so y'all can see them. And I planted those day before Christmas, as you see. So nothing much is really going on here. These are the greens. Now, this is our first time actually like growing some seeds outside. Like during the winter, because I just do everything on the inside, but we shall see. Okay, over here, this was a cayenne pepper that we had. It was very fruitful last year. So I took it out of the greenstalk, which it was grown in originally, and I put it in this pot, just try to overwinter it. But I think I waited too late to bring it in, because I brought it in the other greenhouse and it had broke down on me. So now we got something bigger. Look how it looks on it. Do y'all think is it still alive? I mean, the wood is good on it. It doesn't feel like it's decaying or anything. But this does look a little dry. So maybe I'll just give it a little water right quick. But I think that's what I'm gonna put, because I got this one over here. It's off the ground. So I think I want to put this one over here so it'll be off the ground. All right, y'all, so we have placed it on the bottom here. It is now off the ground. And then it can spin around. Perfect. I went ahead and gave our peppers, here they are. Jalapeno peppers. These are Hungarian wax peppers. So we're gonna see if we can get those. This is my little fan I got out here, y'all. We gonna be working. We got heat out here for the seeds. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's see what this is our Thermo Pro thermometer that I got from Amazon. It works. It's a Bluetooth, and it only is good like when you're inside, like when you're at the facility, like at the location. You can't use it like going to the store. You can't check it. You got to be close by the unit for it to pick up. And this is where it's saying its current temperature is about 70 degrees. Look, this one over here says what? 77 with 43% humidity. And I didn't open up the vent today, so we're gonna try to keep all the heat we can in here. This is some potting mix we got back here that we're gonna be using for our green stalks to refresh those. These are some seed trays here. I upgraded to some silicone. These are the silicone ones that I have over here now. These was only meant for being inside, I'm guessing. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I thought I had some more. Oh, it's here. Now, if I'm gonna start, I want to try to start some tomatoes. So I would have to just come over and make some more of these over here to actually see. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna try to see if we can have our stuff already ready to go. And once I see some success in growing this stuff out here, we can be growing year round. All right. And y'all, this is like my flooring right here right now. I still haven't decided what, like I put some rocks down, but I don't know, maybe I'll buy some more and I'll just really fill it all in. But this is some styrofoam flooring that I had got from this greenhouse that I purchased. It's very big now. This is the inside. I put that screen over it so stuff can't get in it. This is where you let the ventilation air come in. But since it's gonna be cool and it's gonna be raining later on, I'm gonna keep it down for today. And I don't think this is put up correctly. I don't. And it's not because look, I'm not finna take this whole piece of down just to put this one piece back in. It popped out of place and I was like, you know what? I'm not dealing with it. So yeah, this is my screening that I got up here. That's where all this duct tape is around it. Shoot, I think I got duct tape on around the whole other side too. Cause I'm ensuring that I don't want nothing to snatch this out. No wind, no nothing. All right, let's go on back in. Well, before we go back in, let's check over here. Now, I did plant some potatoes out here. It's 2 of them, but we'll see how they roll. Let's check on our compost. This is our compost bin. Okay, they eating it. They tearing it up too. But y'all go ahead and eat. I don't care. This is just on the outside of how it looks like on the outside. I did go back with silicone caulking around it just to ensure that I didn't want no water getting inside of it. But I'm happy with it. This box is what it came in, and I decided to keep the lid because I said I could make like a raised bed or something. So I don't know if that's what I want to do with it yet. Or I was gonna get those planters that we seen at Dollar Tree today. I can just line them up in here, and this could be my raised bed planter box. See what I'm saying? Okay, y'all working with me. All right, let's go out here to these. Now these are some onions I did plant in here. These are some lettuce I planted. Some iceberg lettuce, so hopefully they're gonna come on through, y'all. I love this lemon greenhouse, this greenstalk lemon color. I guess this is some cilantro that's still rolling in here. That's how long it's been in here. 8/29. Now see, this is supposed to be an onion. What is this? Yellow Spanish onion. Look, they just trying to come through now. And there's another, this supposed to be a white onion. This was in July, and it still ain't did nothing. So I'm just letting everything just chill out here until we get back to it. Here are some carrots. These been here since 8/29, y'all. I'm not even finna pull them up. They look like they're trying to get big. But I'm just gonna let it sit there. These were some collards that I had growing. They struggling, y'all. We really haven't cleaned this up yet either, because we just haven't. And it's cold. Like, who gonna be outside when it's cold? Me, I know. But the soil and everything looks good. Just need a good watering. Hopefully all these strawberries is gonna come back next year. Yeah, I just pull up all this stuff out here, and we're gonna be good to go. All right, y'all, that's my garden. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video that I posted for y'all today. New year, we're gonna try to just post. I probably make it a challenge, like how many times can I post this year versus last year. And if it is just like a 5-minute video, 10-minute video, I'm posting daily. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button